Recce Pharmaceuticals is an innovative clinical-stage Australian biotech company at the forefront of combating the global health crisis of antimicrobial resistance. With a market capitalisation of $115 million Australian dollars, the company is focused on developing a new class of synthetic anti-infective drugs to address critical unmet medical needs in infectious diseases. There are 5 compelling reasons why Recce Pharmaceuticals represents an attractive investment opportunity. Firstly, Recce's lead drug candidate, R327, has a unique mechanism of action, making it the only anti-infective drug recognized by the World Health Organization as an ATP production disruptor. Even after exhaustive testing, no strains of drug-resistant bacteria, including the deadly escape pathogens, have shown resistance to it. This would be a game-changer in the fight against antibiotic resistance. Secondly, Recce's key targeted indications are areas that are not well served by existing drug treatments. Sepsis, in particular, which affects nearly 50 million people worldwide, is also the United States' most expensive condition to treat in hospitals, costing the U.S. healthcare system $57 billion in inpatient costs. Recce is also actively developing R327 for complex urinary tract infections, as well as a topical gel treatment for diabetic foot infections, burn wound infections and broader acute bacterial skin and skin structure infections. Recce's pipeline offers a substantial opportunity for commercialization, as all of these areas can provide significant global demand. Thirdly, Recce benefits from significant support from multiple international governments, reflecting the global recognition of Recce's pipeline and the public need for novel anti-infective treatments. The company received a binding, underwritten guarantee for up to $55 million Australian dollars in future cash rebates from the Australian government, to cover 43.5% of the company's global R&D activities for 3 years. The company also has a memorandum of understanding with the Indonesian government and leading Indonesian biomedical company, Etana Biotechnologies, which provides significant funding and infrastructure support for upcoming late-stage clinical trials in the region. The U.S. Department of Defense has also recognized R327's potential and awarded the company a grant for further development. These arrangements help de-risk future development costs while enabling Recce to help maximize the commercial potential of its products. Fourthly, Recce is about to start a Phase 3 registrational clinical trial for topical R327 in Indonesia. If successful, the study should allow for Recce's transition into a commercial stage company within 2 years, leading to recurring revenue in the ASEAN markets, which have a high prevalence of diabetes and related complications. Finally, the company will need additional capital to fund its R&D programs. It has consistently succeeded in seeking and completing capital raises while steadily maintaining a greater than 12-month cash runway. Recce has a strong representation of institutional investors within its shareholding, and maintains a good relationship with these investors. The company can also seek non-dilutive funding activities including licensing, partnerships, and/or additional funding from government agencies. In conclusion, Recce Pharmaceuticals presents a compelling investment opportunity. The company's innovative approach to advancing synthetic anti-infectives, including scalable in-house automated GMP manufacturing, supported by encouraging clinical data and support from multiple international governments, underscore a promising clinical pipeline that positions the company at the forefront to address the urgent global need for new anti-infective drugs.